Alright guys, welcome back. Looks like I'll be here for a while at this job site, so might have to get used to this pipe work for a while, so I apologize for that. So I was working over here, just working on getting these pipes. These pipes were already sticking up, but I had to cut a bunch of these off last week, and I had to cut a couple more off today because someone was using my pipes, which is fine. But I just needed to add a couple more, so I had to cut some of these off, which is just kind of a nightmare in here, trying to get these all in there because there's not much room, and there's like an 8-inch clearance for the concrete, so that's like the top of the form or something. But anyways, so had to get those down there. So there's like supposed to be like an inch above the pipes, so it's pretty close. And I just started working on tying these down to the rebar so they don't move. They want like a spacing in between each of them, the pipes length away. And so I started on that, but I basically just ran most of the pipe today for the power. So I got some of it. So I got these three right here, and I'm not sure which of these are mine anymore. But basically, going down to the end, I got one going to, some of it's going to, I think this, no, not that box, but there's a box like this down there, and then a second one around the corner, and then the other ones stick out the form over there. So I got one sticking out on that side, one sticking out, or one sticking out over here, and two sticking out over there. So I'll try to show you that. But basically, just a big bunch of rebar, and yeah, I have to tie all that down. So I got like one person working on power, which is me, and another person working on lighting, and these look like feeders of some sort or something like that. So just one person gets a blueprint of one thing and just does it, and then another person gets a different thing and does that. So try not to trip here. Gotta walk in between all these. This is called the bottom mat right here. Then over here they'll have like a top mat, a top layer. But anyways, I was working on these ones right here, I think. These three, and then these two over here. So. These ones, as you can see, they're not strapped down yet. One goes over around that side, and then one goes all the way down over there. Someone else was running 1-inch right here. And the green is the post tension cables. I think those are the water lines for the plumbers. So hopefully this isn't too boring for you. But this is what it's going to be for a while, so I understand if you don't want to watch this every day. So this is one of mine that I did. It's coming in over here. It goes into one of these little floor plug-in things right here. So I did, as you can see, this one, follow it, that one, and then I started this one, but I ran out of pipe. And so it's basically just sitting right here, and that's where it is right there, and it has to go over to that box right there. So just have to run a piece of pipe, connect that up, and that'll be good. And then at the other side, basically just drilled the holes out for where they stub out of the forms. I'll try to go show you that, even though I don't want to. So working on these right here. I think someone started to strap mine down. Maybe not, maybe, I don't know. But basically these two smaller ones are 3/4. Basically ran those all the way down to the end over there. And those are just poking out the other side. So I'll show you that. These are like the floor boxes, so they need the Smurf tube to connect. So you run the pipe and then put a little piece of Smurf tube in between it to connect it to the box. And going down here, think we ran out of 3/4 pipe, so we'll get some more tomorrow, but I just need like 50 feet for that last run to the last box. So like I said, down over here, you just basically drill a hole through the form so you can get the pipe out to the other side, because this is where the concrete stops for now, and then later they'll just continue to pour it, so you have to get the pipe out of the concrete so you can get to it later. So I drilled that one and that one, so no, not the 1 inch, so I did that one and this one. No, not that one. I don't know. Thought I did 2 of them, but maybe not. Maybe it was just that one right there. So anyways, looks like they labeled theirs. I didn't get to label mine yet. So those are the lights. Those are something access control, like low voltage and stuff like that. And then you got your plumbers with their water pipes and all that stuff. So here's the post tensions. They're green, and then they stripped it, and then they'll pull on that later once the concrete is dried and stuff. So that's how that works. And got the columns right here that they'll continue to pour concrete over later. And I think that about wraps it up. Here's the blue bangers I was telling you about. Basically that's for all thread down the road. So when you need to drop something like on an all thread, like an exit sign or something, you can just easily screw into that without having to roto hammer through the floor, because you definitely don't want to hit one of these post tension cables. That would be really bad. Anyways, I think that will do it for now. I'm gonna go head to the car. Alright guys, thanks for making it to the end of the video. I appreciate it. Hopefully you will stick around and check out the videos. It might be kind of similar for a while, but I'm not sure what the future holds with this job site. But basically they're pouring this concrete layer, and then they're going to be building the columns up, and then they're going to be doing another layer of concrete. So once they finish this PT deck, they're going to be doing a second PT deck above it. So basically doing the same thing over again. So it's going to be kind of repetitive for a while, but if that's something you're into, definitely make sure to come back each day. I'd appreciate that. But if not, I understand. With that being said, just want to say thanks for watching. I probably already said that, but if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit like, and I'd appreciate that. And that would help me out and help the channel grow. And subscribe if you want to see more stuff in the future, or more electrical projects that I'm working on. And make sure to check the description for social medias, mainly Instagram. I have an electrical page and a Corvette page. And one other thing, if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams, make sure to hit the notification bell. And with that guys, I will see you tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.